my gosh! I'm flying! Landed. Not again. Sorry. I am robot. Hello, master.
Well, hello there. What is wrong?
I have heard there has been in the instruction.
What do you mean?
I mean, there will be a explosion.
What? No, not on my watch.
This way.
Okay, let's go.
I believe it is this way.
Oh, really? Let's go. Pilot?
Yoo-hoo!
Pilot, there's been an explosion.
And we think it's from
The deck. Okay. I'll keep my eye.
turn.
Or more like that way. Okay.
Woohoo! I'm having the time of my life. Oh my gosh! There's been an explosion. Help me! I don't know what to do.
I have a bad feeling about this place.
Yeah, me too. By the way, still Agent Alice. I'm gonna go check over there. That way.
Okay, see you there. Well, see you later.
See ya. Whoa, this place is amazing.
They don't know that you're evil.